I'm so excited to show you what I'm making. I have some of Luv Lola's new vinyl that came out in her box, and I'm gonna make the Sewbestie pack bag with a kit that I bought from Amanda, and I'm just going to use all the black webbing that I got, and all the little pieces already cut out, pre-cut. Make this real simple. I just think this is gorgeous. With this, I think that's going to look really pretty. So, yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here we go. Nope. Let's try again. Beautiful. That looks like a good bobbin to me. Yep. Okay, this is bright pink thread against a black background, so if I mess up at all, which I will, you're gonna be able to see it. When I first got my machine, it sewed beautifully, and then something happened and it wouldn't sew anymore, and I was like, what is going on? So we sent it to Juki Junkies, and they looked at it and they were like, it's fine. The tension was off a little bit, but it's sewing beautifully. And then I realized I had been threading the needle. I was threading the top of it right, but the needle itself, I was threading inside out instead of outside in. That's one of the weird kind of things about the Juki. And I have another machine which I was using, and it threads the other way. So, okay, almost done with one side. Just taking it nice and slow. Oh dear, I got pretty close there. But it's, I barely made it. Oh wow, okay. Well, this side doesn't look too bad. What do you think? I just realized I forgot to put my foot on. This is the Teflon, not smooth foot, that you use for vinyl, but right now I'm just doing the webbing, so I'm not gonna change it yet. And we're just doing 5 of these little guys. I need to get my flamethrower so I can burn the ends of the webbing so it doesn't fray. Turning it towards me. There we go. And I'm gonna do 5 of these, like she says to in the video, and I'm doing the very end, not the middle. Bum, 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 bum. Mana. Do, 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 do. You ever wonder what's going on in my brain? It's mana. Okay, now I get to go find a lighter. Okay, that's 5. 5 D-rings. Okay. And I need to switch foots. Oh. Okay. Be very so gentle, please. Okay. We're going to raise the needle. Probably should take the needle off, but I'm not going to. Come on, little foot. There we go. Taking the steel foot off, and I'm gonna put the Teflon foot on. There we go. Mana. Do. Mana. Do. I probably did that wrong. You're probably supposed to always come from the left side because it went in really easy from the left side. Okay. That's much better. More better. And now is when I'm gonna pray, because I do not want to set off the fire alarm in the house. That would not be good because it's early in the morning and I don't want to disturb my honey, who is, oh, excuse me, sorry, sleeping better out than in, I always say. Yeah. Oh, that one got twisted a little bit. Here we go. Okay, please no fire alarms. Okay, there's one. There's two. I can smell it. 3. I'm trying to do this really fast. 4. 5. Okay, that's just gonna have to. Please don't go off fire alarm. Please don't go off fire alarm. Okay, Amanda, what's next?
We're just tacking everything together so that it stays put.
Now, what's next? Please don't say top stitch. Please don't say top stitch. Please don't say top stitch.
and top stitch all along this side.
No. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I'm just going to try to get this top stitch to look halfway decent. I finished making the bag, and I think the pink top, the pomegranate top stitching looks pretty cute. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I did, at the very last minute, remember to put one of my homemade tags in there. So, personalized custom tag. But I didn't want it to where you could see it, so I put it on the inside. The only thing left I have to do is the straps. And then the bag will be done. Okay, so we are done. How cute is this? I need to trim the strings. So this vinyl is by Luv Lola, and the design and the pattern is from Sewbestie, and the hardware is all from a kit, and these side panels and the zipper. So it's got a double zipper on it. And it's done.